In this video, I will show you how a ServiceNow user can perform Universal Automation Center self-service tasks using the ServiceNow app for UAC. The app lets business users schedule their own multi-step ABAP jobs, including start conditions, right from inside ServiceNow. For example, an SAP business user can create and schedule an SAP task in UAC straight from the app. Operations users benefit too. When a task fails, UAC was always able to automatically generate an incident ticket in ServiceNow. From there, operators can act directly, rerunning a failed task, force finishing a task or workflow, or releasing a task, all from within the ServiceNow app. Here's a quick overview of what the ServiceNow app can do. The ServiceNow app is available for download in the ServiceNow store. It's ServiceNow certified and it's free to use. For a quick start, the installation and user guide are available right from the app description in the store. Now let me show you how an SAP user can create and schedule an SAP task in UAC through ServiceNow. Here you see the ServiceNow app with the different commands. I choose the action Create SAP Task. Then I fill in the details, the task name, the SAP agent, the SAP job name, the SAP connection, and SAP credentials, and other optional parameters like SAP job class. I will create this SAP job with 2 job steps. The first step calls the ABAP program ABAP Doku List with the variant List View. As a second step, I just call the ABAP program BTC Test. For this example, I want the job to run every day at 11 o'clock, so I set the schedule. Once everything's set, I submit the request by placing the order. At this point, ServiceNow automatically creates the SAP job and the matching trigger in Universal Automation Center. What you can optionally set up in ServiceNow is an approval flow before creating the SAP job and trigger it in Universal Automation Center. As you can see, the request was completed successful. Let's check in UAC if the task and trigger have been created. As you can see, the SAP task has been generated with the 2 ABAP steps, or the trigger was generated. Every day at 11 AM. To demonstrate the setup, I won't wait until 11 AM. I will launch the job manually. And as you can see, the SAP job is running now. Here you see the SAP job finished successfully. For the second demo, I want to show how an automation operations user can interact with a running workflow. Let me launch the workflow SAP Sales Workflow. Here you can see the workflow running. The task SAP Load Data is set up for this demo to be in health status when the workflow starts. Let me release the task. Here you see the task has been released from the ServiceNow app and is running now. Oh, 2 tasks are failing. That automatically generates 2 incident tickets in ServiceNow. Let me check ServiceNow. 2 tickets have been created automatically. On the first ticket, let's have a look at the issue. The issue is an SAP logon error. Let me go to the issue and correct it. For this demo, I haven't set up a custom URL field in ServiceNow, linking straight to the failed tasks, so I will copy the link over manually. Now I will fix the issue by updating the task with the correct logon credentials. I've updated the task with the logon credentials, and now I can rerun the task right from the ServiceNow app. As you can see, the task is now running correctly. Let's have a look at the second issue. The second task failed because of an unknown ABAP report. I won't fix this one in this demo. I will just force finish it from the ServiceNow app, so the workflow can continue to run. As you can see, the workflow continues to run. Let me summarize what I've shown you. Through the certified ServiceNow app, business users can create and schedule tasks, Linux, Windows, SQL and SAP tasks. For SAP specifically, you can create and schedule SAP jobs with multiple steps. Operations users can interact with existing task instances and react automatically to the incident tickets in ServiceNow, releasing, rerunning or force finishing a task instance. Thanks for watching.